BMW is the abbreviation of these three words, Bayerische Motor and Work. The founder of this company is a person named Franz Joseph Pope. He founded this company in 1916. Currently, this company also owns Rolls-Royce Motor and Mini. The activity of this company began with the manufacture of aircraft engines. About BMW logo design ideas, you can refer to a written reference. In 1942, Wilhelm Farncup, the then director of the company's press, spoke about the idea of the blue and white houses of his company's logo in an article. According to Farncup, the engine blades of airplanes produced by this company were the main idea of creating this logo. There is another story about the formation of the BMW logo design idea. The blue and white colors of this logo are considered very simple, influenced by the color of the Bayern flag. In a way, it is a symbol of the company's production location.
Subscribe for more tutorial.